Aix, 6th of July, 1895. I had to abandon for the time being the study that I'd started of Geoffroy, who placed himself so generously at my disposal, and I'm a little embarrassed at the meagre results I obtained, especially after so many sittings and successive bursts of enthusiasm and discouragement. So I've landed up home, which I perhaps should never have left, to embark on the chimerical pursuit of art.